Click cell F5. You want to restrict the acceptable inputs for this cell to whole numbers from 1 to 5 inclusive. You will create a data validation rule to accomplish this. Click the Data tab on the ribbon. In the Data Tools group, click the Data Validation button. The Data Validation dialog box opens with the Settings tab active by default. You will define your validation rule here. Click the Allow arrow. The Allow list displays validation criteria options. Click Whole Number. The cell will only accept whole numbers. You want to further restrict cell entries by establishing a range within which the whole numbers must fall. The default value in the data text box is between, which you will accept. Next, you will set the minimum and maximum values for the cell. Click the minimum text box and type 1. Click the maximum text box and type 5 in the Click OK. The rule is complete. Only whole numbers ranging from 1 to 5 can be entered in cell F5. If you try to enter a number that does not fit the rule, Excel will display an error message and ask you to try again.